Hi everyone. As you remember, the other day I did an unboxing of the CRIMPiT wrap sealer, the bundle, and this is the large one. So tonight I'll be making air fried supreme pizza crimped sandwich. What all goes into the air fried supreme pizza crimped sandwich? You'll need to use your large CRIMPiT, 10 to 12-inch flour tortilla shells. Now you can make whatever kind of pizza that you want with this. I'm just showing you what I'm making. Ground beef, cooked and crumbled. Pepperoni slices. I don't have any quantities because that's going to be to your preference. Diced green pepper. And I'm not sure how much actually will fit in one of those either, so I can't tell you how much I need. Pizza sauce, black olives, and mozzarella cheese. So let's begin. So I have my large CRIMPiT wrap sealer. Say that 5 times fast. Now I have a burrito size tortilla shell. I'm going to turn it around here. Okay, so this is the bottom of it, and we want to fill the bottom, but not clear to the edge. Got some squirt pizza sauce. I'm going to just squirt a little bit on here. Again, I don't know any of the quantities or amounts because I've never made this before. And again, you can do it however you want to. You just want this half because it's folding over. So I have my pizza sauce. And then next I'm going to put my mozzarella cheese on. We'll build it pretty much like a pizza. I personally like to have cheese on the bottom and on the top, so that's how I will be building mine. I'm not sure how much I can stack this up and get it to crimp good. I may under or overfill it. And then I'm going to put some ground beef that I cooked. And next comes the pepperoni. And then the veggies. I'll put a little bit of the green pepper, a little bit of green onions. This was an afterthought. And some black olives. And then I'm going to add some more mozzarella cheese on the top, like so. So in order to get it to crimp, you can either take your wet finger and go along all the way over. So when you flip it over, it will crimp better. They recommend that you put it in the microwave for 20 seconds to soften up the tortilla shell so it can crimp a lot easier. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to put it in the microwave for 20 seconds and then I'll be right back. All right, so then we will take this and we will flip it over and push down on it and crimp it and take it out. Well, it's not completely crimped. We'll do that again. And I might have not gotten it all the way through enough out of here so it can crimp. My first ones never turn out very well, but you want to make sure it's crimped completely so the filling does not fall out. Okay, that looks better. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer next. So hang on just a sec. All right, so I did lightly grease the liner or the basket. And let's see if I can get this out. I am going to lightly oil the top of this so it gets brown. So we're going to hit air fry. We don't want preheat. We don't want turn. We want 400. We want 3 to 6 minutes. And I'm going to do 4 to start with. And then if it's golden brown, we'll take it out. If not, we'll cook it for a little bit longer. So here is the air-fried supreme pizza wrap sandwich made with my CRIMPiT. So let's see what Dave has to say about this. You might just be able to pick it up and eat it. Might be easier.
Now she tells me. Nice and crispy around the edges. Kind of a spaghetti-ish pizza kind of flavor.
That is air fryer supreme pizza made with my CRIMPiT wrap sealer that I just got. And
You got a new cooking thing?
I did. Did I forget to tell you that?
Probably.
Oops. But yeah, that is made with tortilla shells, and you crimp them together, and you put it in the air fryer, or you can cook it in the pan, or you can cook it under the broiler.
Well, it tastes really good, and I'm making a mess here. I like it crispy around the edge there. I'm gonna say it's a good investment.
Good.
Now that I figured out how to eat it, it's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.